Hello everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Enjoy watching, guys.
Choo-choo! What a peaceful morning. Oh no! The tracks are broken! Help! Somebody help! That's Rusty! He needs us now! Team, to the railway! Rescue mission! Hang on, Rusty, we are coming! Thank goodness you're here! Severe break, missing sleepers and loose ballast. Rolls, dozer clears, dump brings gravel, crane sets rails, I dig and pack. Obstacles out, path is clear. Cutting to grade, perfect base incoming. High quality ballast, steady and strong. Pack tight, this won't sink. New rails arriving, nice and straight. Centered and square, keep them aligned. Soft drop. And set. Gauge is true. Lock them in. Smooth layer coming through. Solid as a rock, ready to test. Slow and steady, Rusty. We will guide you. It feels strong. Hooray! Track restored!
Yay!
You saved me! Thank you, heroes! Teamwork makes tracks work. With friendship and skill, the railway rolls safe again.